In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Gallery app. Now click on one of your albums or select photos and just hold the chosen one. I will go with albums though. Now hold one of your pictures that you wish to delete, in my case this one. Then click on select all at the top. And as you can see, after that, all of them were selected. In order to delete them, click on remove at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!